welcome back to something special. There's no cooking or anything like that. We are going to surprise our mom with a new iPhone 12 Pro Max. It just came in the mail today. She's currently upstairs, so we're going to call her down and surprise her. And we're going to open the new phone. Amma!
Yeah?
We have a surprise for you. Come downstairs.
What? What is it?
Just come downstairs and you'll see it.
I'm busy.
Just come. Just for 5 minutes.
Alright. What?
Come sit.
Okay.
So we got you something today.
Ooh, what is it?
Open it up. Open it and you'll find out.
Okay.
Open the mode.
Scissors. Scissors. Can you give me a scissor?
Here goes.
Or let me see. Let me see. Almost there. It's a phone. Wait, how do I get it? Oh, look. Look what I have. Oh my gosh. What is this? No, let's get this. All right. I got my iPhone.
iPhone
12
Pro Max.
Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. I'm so surprised. Thank you. What?
Now we're gonna see what's inside. There's the iPhone 12 Pro Max charger. This is just a sticker of the logo. Yay.
Now I need to take super pictures. I need to take nice videos. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot of photos now.
So the iPhone 12 Pro Max just hit the market today, and this has a better camera than the previous phone. I'm gonna turn it on. So we just turned it on and we're waiting for the lock screen to pop up. And you can see it's like nicely golded plated. This phone has a nice matte finish.
Oh, I love the color. Look at the color.
Yeah, this is gold. Oh, it just turned on. So we're gonna click English as the language. Select our country. So now we're gonna set up the Face ID.
Move your head slowly.
To complete the circle. So follow the arrow. You're gonna go down. Move it slowly, move it around. Trying to get all angles of your face. Go up. Go down. The side. Diagonal. Diagonal. So the first Face ID scan is complete. to say. Say hey Siri.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music.
So if you want to ask Siri a question, you just press and hold this side button right here. Choose what you want your appearance to be. It can either be light or dark. What do you want, light or dark?
I will take the light.
Okay, and then you could pick 2 different display zoom. It can be standard or zoomed. We'll do standard. And then you're officially all set up.
Ta-da!
Okay, so we're going to take this is photo. We're going to go to video. And just like the other iPhones, there's slow-mo, time-lapse, and portrait. So the maximum zoom in for this phone is 12x. So it zooms in pretty close to anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Are you so surprised?
Yes, I'm so surprised and I'm so happy.
Aww.